Hello everyone, you are warmly welcome to KB Romare Junior College Sasnadi. I am Professor Randir. I am a teacher of English subject. Friends, you have taken admission in our college. It is a great thing to us. Your desires, your hopes, or your aim will definitely complete by our hard work. KB Romare Junior College is one of the best college in the area. Our principal Bare sir, he is a motivational personal to us. His guidance is always lead us a right track, and we will definitely do a good things for you. I am hoping that you will also support us. Friends, English subject is compulsory subject for everyone. Arts, commerce, science, all the branches have a compulsory subject. English is the international language, therefore, we need to learn this language very sincerely because we have to use this language in our day to day life. In 11th standard, you have to face this textbook. This textbook is very attractive one. See the picture on your screen. The cover page and back page of this book. English Yuvak Bharati Standard 11. This textbooks gives you a lot of interest about learning English language. In this our textbooks there are four sections. Before going to learn a section wise pattern or the sections of these textbooks, we have to just glimpse the contents that is given in our textbook. Contents are given in our textbooks are there are four sections. Section number 1, this section is based on prose literature. Prose forms will provide you a lot of entertainment, lot of knowledge also. There are 5 lessons in this section. The very first lesson is removed from our syllabus. Section number 2, this section is based on poetry section. In the poetry section, we have to learn almost 5 poems. These poems are very interesting one. You will really enjoy while learning these poems. The next section, section number 3, writing skill section. Friends, this section is very important to us. In 21st century, we have to face a lot of technological activities, and nowadays we are facing this. Therefore, we are able we have to able to write emails, send emails, interview, film review, expansion of idea, and especially blog writing. These contents are included in section number 3. The last section, section number 4, this section based on drama section. In the section, you have to learn all kind of information about drama, history of drama, the rising of the moon, a perfect drama example. It means a great drama that we have to learn in this section. There are another also, an enemy of the people, a midsummer night dream. These are the famous drama you have to learn in this textbook. The next part that we have to learn, see the actually what is given in section number 1. Section 1, prose section. There is a wonderful blend of essays, short stories, biographical sketches, speeches, and articles in the prose section of the book. All kind of care has been taken to choose inspiring pieces of literature written by well-known authors, which will not only inculcate a wholesome sense of right and wrong in pupils, but also sensitize student to the pleasure and pain of life. The ultimate goal of these prose pieces is that through familiarity with these texts, students will be motivated to express themselves in the various forms of prose they are exposed to in the course book. It means overall life experience is given in the lessons. This experience will definitely motivate you to develop yourself. Section number 2. This section is poetry section. In the poetry section, we will learn a fresh addition to teach and learning poetry. It is also summarizing appreciation and composition of a few lines of poetry. This would enhance the joy of learning poetry and lend beauty and rhythm to the daily uses of language. Friends, poetry is a part of literature, and without poetry, literature will not complete. Poetry gives us a fresh addition. It means gives us a lot of feelings about our mind, heart. These things you will learn in this section. The next section, section number 3, writing skill section. In the writing skill section, examples of the various writing skill which we expect the students to learn are included in the textbook. Through these examples, we can learn the writing skill of the various forms discussed in the course book. This, we hope, will eventually lead the learners towards the various forms of written language and towards careers open to them in the field of writing. ICT based writing skills such as email writing and blog writing also have been intentionally introduced. It means this section is very important to us. You will learn email writing, blog writing, all the ICT based activities in section number 3. The next section, section number 4, it's drama section. In the drama section, you will learn what sets in this course book apart is section 4. It means without section number 4, these textbooks will not fulfill, in which the pupil will have a glimpse of the genre of drama, an exciting and captivating branch of literature, some extracts from the well loved and popular plays, and some thoughts provoking examples from the genre have been introduced. It is an interesting mix of plays having historical, socio-cultural, and comic themes, representative of these forms of literature. You will learn history of drama, the rising of moon, extract of drama, a midsummer night dream, and enemy of the people. These all sections are very important to us. Friends, now I am going to tell you the reduced part of our syllabus. Because of COVID-19, our government has declared that almost 25% syllabus has reduced from each and every subject. This part I am going to show you with this. The 25% syllabus has been reduced in standard 11 English textbooks as follows. In the prose section, it means section number 1, 1.1, being neighborly. This lesson or this prose section part is reduced from our syllabus. From section number 2, poetry section, 2.6, the planners, this poem is reduced from our textbooks for this annual year. You can see here a download link of this textbook. You can download our textbooks from using this link. I will also send you